So we're going to make a hollandaise, which is a warm emulsion sauce. It is a mint hollandaise, a traditional French sauce, which is going with our lamb rack. Hollandaise is an emulsion sauce made from combining egg yolks and a vinegar or wine reduction with warm butter. To start off, we make a reduction, or we boil vinegar to concentrate the flavour. And then we take egg yolks and place the egg yolks in there. Starting off, making sure you have the same amount of egg yolks as you do a reduction. Placing these egg yolks in your reduction over a pot of simmering water and gently whisking it. You're cooking this into what's called a sabayon. Whisking action is backwards and forwards in a figure eight pattern, not around in a circle. Around in a circle is more mixing or beating, whereas from side to side in an 8 pattern is giving you an aerated whisk. If you can't hold your bowl, or your bowl starts to get too hot to hold with your bare hands, it means that your egg mixture is getting too hot. So take it off, whisk it till it cools down, and then place it back onto your liquid. You need to cook your sabayon until it's thick enough that you can draw a ribbon pattern on top. Once your sabayon's cooked, it's time to add the butter to it. Once your sabayon is cooked, you can place a wet chucks, damn tea towel, or you can get a friend to hold the bowl for you. Continually whisking it, putting in a slow stream of clarified butter or ghee. As you whisk it, you're making sure that the butter and the egg yolks, the sabayon, are all starting to emulsify together, becoming thicker and creamier, and that your butter is being absorbed. Two egg yolks should take approximately 250 grams of clarified butter to become a thick sauce. To finish off the hollandaise and make this into the poulet sauce, seasoning with pepper, some fine table salt, slight squeeze of lemon, and the poulet sauce comes from finishing the hollandaise with mint. Hollandaise, being an emulsion sauce, needs to be kept warm. It's best kept at 37.5 degrees to keep it nice and warm and fluid. If it starts to solidify, it will separate. You can try and drop a bit of warm water into it to stop it, but the best thing to do is keep it warm. Being that the sauce is made with partially cooked eggs, it's best made as close to service as possible. If you are making it in advance, it can only be kept for 2 hours.